Well, America, you see, I was forced at the end of the trial, of the Aurelia Wilson trial, to sign a gag order by Joshua Weintraub. They did not want me. They threatened me that if I told the truth in the Genepsi Meza Caballo case, if I even revealed anything about that I would spend the rest of my life in prison. I was told by Abby Rifkin this. I was told by Josh. Several times when I was released after prison, I was released, and Joshua Weintraub told me that if I told the truth in the Genepsi Meza Caballo case, if I told on Abby Rifkin and all the little corrupt officers and the corrupt FBI agents, that I would spend the rest of my life in prison. Since then, they have done everything to intimidate me. They have sent officers to my house to let the whole neighborhood know who I was and that I was a convicted felon. They've contacted the people that I've rented from and told them false things and lies to get me evicted. They've contacted jobs that I've had and had me fired, or I wasn't hired because of all of this. I believe that my constitutional rights has been violated. You see, when I signed that gag order in Judge Reyes's courtroom that day. Judge Reyes, I think you are the greatest. I know that you have nothing to do with this and that you do not know any of the lies from Joshua Weintraub or any of the things that he has done to me. I do know that, and I thank you for allowing me my freedom, and I promise you that I will never commit another violent crime. I will never do anything to hurt another human being. I tried so very hard when I was released to do the right thing, to make you proud and to make everybody proud of me, but I have been stalked by the Miami State Attorney's Office because no one wants me to tell the truth about Maggie Carr, my little friend that's sitting in prison for the rest of her life, that gave oral sex to the state attorney for her freedom and got on the stand and testified, and nobody wants to believe